Wavlink docking stations expand your laptop's connectivity using a single USB-C port. They typically offer HDMI, USB-AC, and Ethernet ports. To connect, first unbox the docking station and ensure all components are present, including the USB-C cable. Next, plug the USB-C cable into your laptop's USB-C port. Some models may require a separate power adapter. Once connected, the docking station should power on. Now, connect your peripherals such as monitors via HDMI, USB devices, and Ethernet cables. If devices aren't immediately detected, restart your laptop. For optimal performance, install the necessary drivers first. Visit wavlink.com to download the appropriate drivers for your docking station model. Windows may prompt you for driver installation automatically. For Macs, the system often works plug and play without additional steps. After installing drivers, verify all connections in your operating system's display and device settings to ensure everything is detected properly. Common issues include display glitches. These can often be resolved by updating your operating system, ensuring your USB-C port supports alt mode for video output, and using high-quality cables.